Welcome back to our last section in this course. Here, we're looking at various ways to make sense of the data in our system. We've touched a little on some of these aspects earlier in this course, and now we're going a little more in depth. First video in this section focuses on views. Let's go back to our ideation solution. One request from users is to have the ability to see the stage each idea is going through in the business process flow we created earlier, all surfaced in the All Ideas view. I've done some preparation work here where I added one single line of text to capture the stage. We have this field on the idea entity, and you'll be using this one to show in the view. In order to populate this field, I've created a workflow triggered by the business process flow start or stage change. The workflow steps look like this. We're basically checking for the current stage in the business process flow and filling in the previous mentioned text field with the relevant stage. Now, all we need to do is update the default view to add this field. Go to the idea entity, open the views, and select to edit the main view. Here, let's add the column named process stage. This is the text field added earlier. Move it to the first column position. You could also select to configure sorting of this view name in an ascending order. This will give you an ordered list by process stage. Secondary, you could choose to add a second sorting condition, like maybe created on, to add a chronological order within each process stage section. If you want, you can even go further and create separate filtered views for each process stage. You can achieve this by going to Edit Filter Criteria and selecting a condition where, for example, process stage is only 1 out of 3. This will show all idea records that have just been added are still in the collect stage. I will not be saving this view though, as all I want is a view of all active ideas with the first column showing the current stage. Save and publish all customizations. Now that we have the view, let's see how that shows for our users. If we go to our ideation app, once the active ideas view opens up, we'll see the process stage column shown up. You can start adding new filters in this view directly by clicking on the little funnel icon and filling in equals and 1 of 3. This gives you the exact results as if we would have created a separate view for this condition. You can also click on the arrows icon to sort the view either ascending or descending.